Very good morning, Zimbabwe. Mamukase. My name is Ronald Kwamakusha, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. Patiri kupa kure nyaya dziri kuitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Kana usati wasubscriber, please hit the subscribe button. Please like this video, comment, and also share to as many people as possible. So ZANU PF Minister Daniel Garwe made controversial statements, and we need to take a look kuti iye akambonyatsoti chii.
Tare kutonga mhosva ari muZANU PF. Mahurumende masoja ndeeZANU PF. Mapurisa ndeeZANU PF. Kana zvanetsa zvemuchadenga ndezveZANU PF. Kana vaROYI vacho ndevedu tinoshandisa zvetinokwanisa. Tikada toshandisa madhokta kurapa. Kana zvaramba torinamatirwa nana PC mapostori. Kana zvanetsa toenda kung'anga. Kana tanonoka kuenda kutotora shamhu togadzira teki. Asi musavarowa. Hazina president hatidi mhiri zhonga. Asi kana zvanetsa, kana vakatidenda. Bhebhe ratanzi raiti nguva yeOld Testament ukarohwa kubva rimwe dama. Isu tiri kuti akangondirowa chete ndomurakidza kuti ndinonzani. Saka ndotuka president afanira kurohwa. Musanyarara kana ZANU PF ichitukwa. Musanyarara kana president wachitukwa. Taamunguva yekudzivirira president nezvese zvatakapuwa naMwari. Campaign ya president secandidate one yatiri kuziva yatanga. Iwe neni tine basa rekubvuwa munhu nemunhu wese asati aziva kunaka kwemusangano, rekubvuwa munhu nemunhu wega wega zvake asati aziva kunaka kwemabasa ari kuitwa napresident wedu vamunangagwa.
So, in my opinion, this is an MP, this is a minister, this is a lawmaker in general. And the same lawmaker who is supposed to be protecting the laws which they make, he is threatening to use violence against the citizens, coalition for change people. So, to ZANU PF, if you speak about corruption, you are insulting them. If you speak about lack of service delivery, you are insulting them. If you speak about looting, you are insulting them, which means ticharohwa tikatambura. Guys, honestly speaking, we must be prepared for this. We are not going to back down. We are not going to leave this struggle. We are going to continue this struggle. We are going to continue to mobilize for people to register to vote. No matter how they would try to use all shenanigans, they would try to poison us, they would try, because when you hear them Tichashandisa vaROYI, they are meaning to say they will use food poisoning to make sure that tinoroa pass. But we will continue to remain resolute, we will continue to fight for our freedom, because we cannot afford to have another 5 years. We are young, and we cannot let these older dollars decide our future and decide what should happen. So let us continue to register to vote, and let us continue to work for change. This is it in Zimbabwe. I don't know. In the comment section, please tell me, what do you think about what Minister Garwe said regarding the issue of Tichashandisa vaROYI, Soja, and the judiciary, and whatsoever. Let us continue to register to vote. Let us continue to make sure that we mobilize for change. Change is coming, and nobody is going to stop it. But let us continue to work as well. This is it in Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Kwamakusha. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.